Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to open a Wealthfront account. If you're looking to dip your toes into investing or just want a smart way to manage your money, Wealthfront is an awesome automated investment platform that uses algorithms to build and manage your portfolio. It's user-friendly, has low fees, and is perfect for beginners or busy folks who don't have time to micromanage their investments. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step guide to get started in no time. First things first, why choose Wealthfront? It's designed to help you grow your wealth with minimal effort. They offer features like tax loss harvesting and personalized portfolios based on your goals. Now, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Head over to the Wealthfront website. You can simply search for Wealthfront on your browser or use a direct link. Once you're there, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. It's usually front and center. Step 2. Create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and set up a password. Wealthfront might also ask if you want to link an existing bank account later, but for now, just focus on signing up. Next, verify your identity. This is standard for financial services, so you'll enter details like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Don't worry, it's secure. Step 3. Choose your account type. Wealthfront offers options like an investment account, cash account, or even a 529 college savings plan. Think about your goals here. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or just building an emergency fund? Select what fits best. Step 4. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you'll link a bank account or transfer money directly. Start with as little as $500 for some accounts. Wealthfront will guide you through this process smoothly. Step 5. Customize your investments. Answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Their algorithm will then create a diversified portfolio tailored just for you. You can always adjust it later if needed. And there you have it. That's how you open a Wealthfront account. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to smarter investing in minutes. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's build that wealth together.